If you own a pickup truck, you're about to see 12 gadgets that can completely change how you use it. From getting unstuck in seconds to turning your truck into a smart machine, these upgrades are so useful, you'll wonder how you ever drove without them. Number 12. X-Bull Recovery Traction Tracks. If you go off-road, this is your ultimate escape tool. X-Bull Recovery Traction Tracks recover you from mud, sand, snow, or ice in seconds. They are made of fiber-reinforced nylon and are light in weight, but still have a load capacity of up to 10 tons. Aggressive cross-tooth design digs into tires and terrain for instant grip and prevents slipping backward. As they function in extreme weather conditions, ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, they are suitable for all weather circumstances. Number 11. VINCS GPS Tracker. If you manage vehicles, this turns your truck into a smart fleet system. The VINCS GPS Tracker is cost-effective and requires no monthly fees, providing real-time GPS tracking capabilities. It refreshes location every 3 minutes. There are faster options available. Powered directly by the vehicle, it requires no battery. It monitors fuel consumption, trip logs, idle periods, maintenance alerts, and driver behavior. There is also geofencing, speed alerts, and OBD diagnostics for more insight. Number 10. FORTEM Ratchet Tie Straps. If your cargo shifts during travel, this is your fix for total security. The FORTEM Ratchet Tie Straps set secures loads safely in trucks, trailers, or roof racks. It contains 4 ratchets, 4 S-hooks, and 4 soft loops in a small pouch. The straps are 15 feet long and have a 1,650-pound brake strength, which provides a lot of holding power. Grip is enhanced by the rubber-coated handles, and durability is guaranteed by the weather-resistant hooks. These straps keep bikes, kayaks, furniture, or ATVs from moving and damaging. Number 9. CURT POWERRIDE 30K 5th Wheel Hitch. For those towing huge RVs, it's your powerhouse. The CURT POWERRIDE 30K is designed to withstand the demands of towing heavy loads, such as large trailers and motorhomes with its 30,000-pound capacity. It has a cast steel body providing long life and a multi-directional head to minimize stress on your truck during travel. The self-resetting handle simplifies hookup and saves time every use. A clear indicator shows secure coupling instantly for safety. Number 8. CHORTLY Gear Truck Bed Cargo Net. If your truck bed turns messy on every drive, this keeps everything locked in place. The CHORTLY Cargo Net is meant to prevent tools, equipment, and groceries from sliding around while transporting. It is constructed of tough polypropylene mesh material for long service life in water and UV. Durable metal carabiners offer solid anchor points that don't break easily. Installs in seconds without drilling, with factory mounting hooks. Number 7. TYGER Auto Tonneau Cover. If you want to protect your truck bed from weather and theft, this is a game changer. The TYGER Auto Tonneau Cover offers full or partial bed access with its folding aluminum design. Made with aircraft-grade materials, it offers good anti-rain, anti-dust, impact protection. The low-profile design not only looks great on your truck, it also makes it more aerodynamic. Locking latches keep your cargo secure when traveling. It can be installed in only a few minutes without any drilling, and is easy to use for all truck owners. Number 6. HUSKY Liner's Low-Profile Vent Visor. If rain stops you from opening your windows, this solves it instantly. The HUSKY Low-Profile Vent Visor allows you to enjoy fresh air without letting the rain, wind, and debris in your cabin. Constructed of fade-resistant acrylic, it is designed to last for years without fading. Its slim design blends perfectly with your truck's factory look, requires no drilling, and is quick and easy to install with 3M adhesive tape. It also helps reduce window fogging in bad weather. Number 5. RONIN Factory 50 Cal Bullet Antenna. If you want your Jeep to stand out instantly, this small upgrade makes a big impact. The RONIN 50 Cal Bullet Antenna features a compact military-style antenna that replaces the long factory antenna. Constructed from military-grade aluminum, it is light, strong, and corrosion-resistant. Requires no tools and only takes minutes to install. It supports Bluetooth and satellite radio. Though FM range may slightly reduce, the antenna is car wash safe and built for tough conditions. Smart lock design is optional and will provide anti-theft protection. This upgrade will add a commanding, aggressive appearance to your vehicle, while keeping all of the modern features intact. Number 4. UNDERCOVER SWINGCASE Storage Box. If your truck bed feels unorganized, this swing-out storage box changes everything. The undercover swing case can swing almost 180 degrees, so you can access it quickly without climbing in the bed. It can accommodate up to 75 pounds of tools and gear, and has a lockable lid for security. The waterproof feature will keep items dry, even in the event of rain or dust. It is compatible with most tonneau covers, which makes it extremely versatile to truck owners. Easy to install, no special tools are required. It is manufactured in the USA and provides durability, convenience, and smart organization. It's ideal for everyday use and ensures that critical equipment is always within easy reach, safe and sound, and stored efficiently in your truck bed. Number 3. WINUNITE Tailgate Assist Kit. If your tailgate drops too fast, this upgrade protects both you and your truck. The WINUNITE Tailgate Assist Kit controls the descent speed, preventing sudden slams and reducing strain. It is made of high-strength 1045 steel, which ensures durability and stability. It enables controlled and smooth lowering and effortless lifting. Setup is rapid, no drilling is required, and all tools are provided. Enhances safety, decreases noise, and makes loading, unloading easier for daily use in Ford F-150 models. This simple yet powerful upgrade protects users from injury while extending tailgate life through controlled, smooth operation every single time. Number 2. Rough Country Truck Bed Cargo Storage Tray. If your truck bed becomes a dumping ground, this organizes everything instantly. The Rough Country Storage Tray makes your bed a smart storage solution. Constructed of high-strength polyethylene and can support an evenly distributed weight of up to 500 pounds. Resistant to UV damage and does not fade or wear over time. It's no drill, so it's easy and quick to set up. It's also fully detachable, so you can return your bed to the stock anytime you want. Ideal for tools, equipment, and large loads, it ensures everything is held safe and easy to reach. With a 3-year warranty, it is a tough and dependable improvement for work, travel, and daily truck organization. Number 1. XRIDONSEN 2 in-1 Grill Light Strip. If you drive at night or work roadside, this is a life-saving visibility upgrade. The XRIDONSEN Grill Light Strip delivers 360-degree high-intensity LED lighting for maximum warning visibility. It features 29 flashing patterns, allowing different emergency signals. It is powered by the 12-volt cigarette lighter and easy to install and requires no wiring. The strip is IP67 waterproof and is suitable for use in rain, dust, and extreme conditions. It's held securely at high speeds with strong adhesive and mounting ties. Designed for long service life with a maximum life of 50,000 hours. It is perfect for emergency, construction, and roadside vehicles for increased safety and visibility in critical situations. If you find this video informative, for more insane tech videos, see you in next video.